high-profile murder cases like the Planned Parenthood attack, how do attorneys deal with unruly clients? As we showed you yesterday, the suspected Black Friday shooter, Robert Deere, made more than a dozen outbursts in court.
Seal the truth, huh?
But also
Kill the babies. That's what Planned Parenthood does. You'll never know what I saw in that clinic. The atrocities. That's what they want to seal. The babies.
Deere also says he is guilty, saying there will be no trial and claiming he is a warrior for the babies.
Well, criminal defense attorneys say they see this kind of behavior on a regular basis. And even if Deere won't cooperate, they say the case can still go to trial. KRDO News Channel 13's Rana Novini joins us live with some insight from an attorney who says he has seen this all before.
James, they say it's not common, but it does happen. And even though Robert Deere's remarks might make this case seem like a slam dunk for the prosecution, that's not necessarily true.
You're not my lawyer.
Outburst after outburst.
We have serious concerns about competency.
The truth coming out.
Most of Robert Deere's rage seemed to be directed at the man defending him.
Planned Parenthood and my lawyer are in cahoots to shut me up.
The accused Planned Parenthood shooter's interruptions raised questions about how the case would play out in a trial, with family members of victims expected to testify.
it's not going to affect it going to trial.
Criminal defense attorney Jeremy Lowe says he's seen this before.
You have clients that will cuss you out, will spit on you, will refuse to talk to you, refuse to meet with you.
He says since the court-appointed defense attorney has to be able to work with his client, Deere would likely be evaluated for competency.
If he's not competent to proceed, what they would do is prescribe some level of medication and do their best efforts to restore him to competency.
Even though Robert Deere said in court that he's guilty, that does not mean the case won't go to trial. That largely depends on the prosecution. If the district attorney's office wants to pursue the death penalty, even if Deere doesn't get along with his attorney,
Do you know who this lawyer is?
he will go to trial.
The Batman shooter that drugged
Now, Lowe says it's rare, but if needed, the judge can actually remove Deere from the courtroom entirely during a trial and put him in a separate room. He can then participate through video, but wouldn't be able to disrupt the process. He is due back in court on December 23rd. Reporting live in studio, Rana Novini, KRDO News Channel 13.
Rana, thank you. Another question.